Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Central auditory pathway. So here in central auditory pathway, there is a mnemonic known as the E. coli. So mnemonic is E. coli. So the important sequence is first will be the eighth nerve. So eighth nerve comes first, then comes the cochlear nerve. So eighth nerve, then the cochlear nuclei. Next comes O. O for the olivary complex. Next is L. L is for the lateral lemniscus. Next comes I. I is for the inferior colliculus. So there is eighth nerve, there is cochlear nuclei, there is olivary complex, there is lateral lemniscus as well as the inferior colliculus. Then there is also the MGB, that is so after E. coli there is MA, that stands for the medial geniculate body, as well as lastly it is the auditory cortex. So there is an important note that the most of the primary auditory cortex is in the temporary lobe. So most of them are in the temporal lobe. So most of them of the primary auditory cortex, they are present here, but the association cortices extend over much of the insular lobe. So there is an association cortex. So this association cortex extends much over the insular lobe. So this extends to the insular lobe and even to the lateral portion of the parietal lobe. So it is going to the insular lobe as well as the lateral portion, and this is of the parietal lobe. P lobe, that is a parietal lobe. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.